At Equator Advanced Appliances, we have developed a modern all-in-one washer and ventless dryer combo with the EZ4700. Let's look at its standout features. The EZ4700 isn't just a washer and dryer. It's an all-in-one laundry solution combining cutting-edge technology and convenience. One of its standout features is the pet cycle. Say goodbye to stubborn dog and cat hair on your fabrics. In just one cycle, the EZ4700 effectively eliminates pet hair, leaving your clothes fresh and fur-free. But that's not all. The sanitize and allergen cycles are game changers. It eliminates germs and wash away common allergens, ensuring your clothes are clean and hygienic. This machine can truly adapt to your lifestyle, fitting perfectly into any space you choose. It has a fully built-in zero-clearance design and offers ventless drying. Ready to revolutionize your laundry routine? Bring home the Equator's EZ4700 Super Combo today.